Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Gerber dime multi-tool. So, as you can see, it comes in a nice small little box with our Gerber logo. So, let's check it out. As you can see, Gerber has made the dime in a very small little package made of stainless steel, and it is spring-loaded and has a total of 10 tools. I'm not sure what all 10 are, but let's see what we can find. So this costed me $16.71. They have different colors for different prices. So let's check it out. On the outside there is a bottle opener and a little keychain attachment. And nice Gerber logo, of course. And name. Okay, when we open it up, let's see. Got the nice spring-loaded favorite part logo, and most multi-tools you can open them from the inside, but this one you could. But my preference is to open it actually from the outside. See what it comes with. So first, on the left side, there's going to be the knife, very small knife, so not really pointy tip, small blade, I'd say 1.5 inches. Okay, that's for there. And next, there's going to be another type of blade. This is what it says, what they call the package opener. So it's a weird small little blade, and as you can see, it's sharp just by the tip, not anywhere over here. So let's say you need to open packages, take your package, like that. Alright, I think that's it for this side. Yeah, moving on to the next side, there's going to be this point, it looks like this flathead screwdriver, and not sure what that is, some sort of pick, flat screwdriver and a pick. Alright. Moving on, there's scissors, that always comes in handy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.